Welcome to the Director Desk Setup Guide. You'll see how to configure connections, scene buttons, hotkeys, presets, camera controls, and live text editing to enhance your live production workflow. To get started, open OBS Studio and go to Tools, WebSocket Server Settings, and enable the WebSocket server. Click the Settings icon to access the configuration options. Click on OBS Connection to configure the WebSocket. If the default IP address doesn't connect, check your OBS settings, Advanced, Network, and copy the IP address to the desk settings here. The port number is usually 4455. Check OBS Tools, WebSocket Server Settings, and make sure the port numbers match. If your OBS WebSocket has password protection, enter the WebSocket password here to authenticate the OBS connection. Click Save to apply your OBS connection configuration. Click the Settings icon to access the configuration options. Click the IP Cameras (ONVIF) option to manage connected cameras. Enter the PTZ service URL. Add the ONVIF Media Profile token. Enter the ONVIF username and ONVIF password for your camera. And repeat for camera 2, camera 3, and camera number 4. Click Save to apply your changes. Click the IP camera switcher buttons to select which camera to control. Click the Home button to recall the camera's startup position. And click the Preset buttons to recall the camera to the preset position. Long press the Home button or the Preset buttons for 1 second to save the current camera position to that preset button. Drag the joystick with a click or touch to control the pan and tilt positions of the camera. Use the slider to zoom in and out with the camera. And use the next slider to adjust the focus. Click the Play button to show the OBS Global Controls. Click the Streaming button to toggle your OBS Livestream on and off. Click the Recording button to toggle the OBS recording function. Click the Replay buffer to toggle the OBS Global Replay buffer. And click the Studio Mode button to toggle between Studio Mode and Live View. Click the Settings icon to access the configuration options. Click Music Source to configure the audio input for your stream. Enter the name of your music source to apply it to the toggle button. Add the name of your music source for volume slider control. Click Save to apply your music source settings. Click the volume icon to toggle the audio source visibility. Use the slider to control the volume level of source. Click the Settings icon to access the configuration options. Click Scene Mapping to configure camera angles. Update the button name field to change the scene button text. Add your scene name exactly as it appears in OBS. And repeat for all 4 scene buttons. Enter the name of your replay scene. Add your highlight scene and panic scene, and click Save to apply. Click your scene buttons to switch between scenes, replays, highlights, and a panic scene if you have one. Click the Settings icon to access the configuration options. Click Replay Hotkeys to customize your replay buttons. Set up a hotkey in OBS to trigger the global replay load and save functions or a replay buffer on each source. Enter the OBS hotkey ID to edit its assigned replay function. If your OBS hotkey has a hold key, for example Control-in-1, enter Control, True in the Mods field. And do the same for your replay source number 2. Number 3. And source replay, number 4. Click Save to apply all replay hotkey configurations. Click the corresponding replay button to trigger your replay load and save hotkey functions. If OBS receives WebSocket messages while saving replay files, saving will malfunction, so the desk will disable OBS buttons for 10 seconds. Any PTZ camera controls or any actions inside OBS itself will not affect the file saving. Click the Settings icon to access Merge Replay features. Click the Merge Replays tab to combine multiple replay clips into one highlight. Enter a folder path where your OBS replays save to, and add a folder path for your highlight files. If these folders don't exist, they will be created when you first save a replay or highlight. Click Save to confirm your replay and highlight folder settings. Click on Merge. New highlight files will be automatically saved as Highlight 1, Highlight 2, Highlight 3, and so on. New highlights will also overwrite a latest highlights file on every save to use as a replay source for instant playback in your highlights scene. Or give each highlight file a unique name before saving. Click Yes to merge all replay files into a highlight video for instant highlight playback. This will erase all files in the replay folder, ready for the next session. Click the Settings icon to access Overlay Hotkey configurations. Click Overlay Hotkeys to customize overlay shortcut keys. Update the button name field to change the overlay button text. Set up a hotkey in OBS to enable and disable the visibility of the source. Enter the OBS hotkey ID to toggle its function with the desk button. If your OBS hotkey has a hold key, for example Control and 1, enter Control, True, in the mods field. Add a source name for light sources. When the source is enabled or visible, the button lights green. And do the same for your hotkey number 2. Hotkey button 3. And hotkey button 4. Click Save to apply your changes. Click the corresponding overlay hotkey buttons to enable and disable the visibility of your graphics. Click the icon to open the Settings menu. Click Overlay Items to manage overlay item buttons. Update the button name field to change the overlay button text. Enter a source name to enable and disable the visibility of the item with the button. Add a source name for light sources. When the source is enabled or visible, the button lights green. And do the same for your overlay item number 2. Item 3. Item 4. And the Adverts button. Click Save to apply your changes. Click the corresponding overlay buttons to enable and disable the visibility of your graphics. Click the Settings icon to access configuration options. Click Text Editors to add text and browser source URLs fields to the pop-up editor. There are long press pop-ups on all 4 overlay hotkey buttons and long press pop-ups on all 4 overlay item buttons. The T button is just a single-click pop-up. All editable pop-ups have 4 inputs per button. Add a custom label for your pop-up item. Enter the source name of a text item or browser source item to add the field to the pop-up editor. Add another custom label for the next pop-up item. And enter the source name of another text item or browser source item to add the field to the pop-up. Add more sources to the other overlay buttons and add 4 input fields to the T button, single-click pop-up. Add a custom label for your T button pop-up item. Enter the source name of a text item or browser source item to add the field to the T button pop-up. Click the Save button to apply changes. Press the overlay buttons for 1 second to show the pop-up editor for each button. Your custom labels and content are here. The text source will automatically load your current text or browser source URL. Edit the URL address or change the text items live without leaving the desk. Click the Update button to save your changes in OBS instantly. Click the icon to open the Settings menu. Click About to view application information and device connections. Click Connect Device to see the connection link. Use a QR code scanner on your portable device for a direct link to control the desk from a mobile touchscreen display. Or copy the URL and paste it into your mobile web browser on the same network your desk is running. With all of your settings configured, you can take control of your broadcast with ease. If you have any issues, please use the support page on our website to log a fault or error, or if you'd like to request a feature to be added to the desk.